Hello guys, this is Spicy Crisp here, and I just bought this new camera I'm going to be using for future videos, Sony ZV-1F. It's a vloggers, content creators camera, total entry beginner type shit. Um, People consider this as a toy, but I don't think a child could handle this. It's easily breakable and fragile. So, see what we're working with. It's got 4K 720 HD, which is pretty useful. I'm gonna run the HD mode off this, and you know what? Let me show you my settings real quick. Or I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. I like to use the dial for it, so we're gonna go to the video settings. Or that's the other way around. I'll do that instead. That's faster. I'm gonna go to file format, HD, of course, proxy settings. Okay, so TMS proxy can be used for sharing. I didn't need that. Movie settings is what it is. So usually there's a 120, 24, 30, and 60. 120 is probably like best for slow motion, for like really fast sports and all that type shit. And I'm running on 60p, but I'm gonna change it back to 30, because that's gonna be best for my web video type stuff. And I might use 24 if I want to do like a serious kind of like a cinematic look at a movie type shit. So in here, I got my f-stop ready. We're at 2.0. Shutter speed is like pretty low. Let's see, 160. Or I like to capture my face. This is what it's supposed to be made for. So yeah, 160. At least for dark rooms. If I'm outside bright, I might have to switch around. My ISO is also 640. It's less grain, but like, not as dark. But yeah, I like it. And let's see, there's filters, creative looks. Yeah, there's like a bunch of different types of exposures that will. It's basically like those little iPhone filters that has like black and white, sunshine. I don't know what they're all meaning. Or NT, it just describes what it does for shooting when modifications made later. And then there's PT for shooting portrait. Oh yeah, PT is for like skin tone. Okay, like it's kind of skin tone filter where it kind of messes with the lighting and exposures. And it has the defocuser and the background. Oh yeah, background defocuser. So I put clear for the background defocus, and this will make the camera darker, but it will also like capture whatever's in the background as well. And then I can turn it off, and then it's gonna defocus. It has the product showcase. I sometimes leave it on. I don't know why it doesn't. Should capture a bit, yeah. Oh, it just took away my defocuser for f-stop. That's not what I wanted. Okay, well, I also have a bunch of footage captured. At first, when I started recording, I just did some pictures on my penny board right after I bought it. And up next, I just like started heading home after that. I'm taking the bus, took some footage of that. And then I had to get to the station, took some photos and some video of the trains and the tracks. Also got some B-roll footage in the vlog. Just like learning to adjust auto features, and then switching to the manual versions to adjust the shutter speed at first, and then I learned about the ISO and the f-stop aperture type shit. And I just keep playing with it. Just got some more footage, just going around each town till I get to the last station to go back home. I take another bus, and then I took more footage of just going around looking at businesses and stores and other landmarks that I also captured. And I think I got a city hall in there too. Yeah. After that, I just like got off the bus stop. Freaking just skateboarded the rest home. And after that, yeah, I got some more stuff in this on another SD card. I'm gonna make some different videos soon. And let's see, some things I love about the camera. It's just lightweight, compact. Put it in your pocket, you'll be alright, ready to shoot. For my negatives, the lens is totally not wide enough for what I want. You know, I would have to get start lens filter maxing, or yeah, extensions or something like that. Yeah, I would have to get a newer, or was it macro and wide lens angle type shit. And then after that, I can just like get a 52 millimeter filter, or UV filter even, plus lens hood if I want. That way I can just beef the crap of the lens part. And other than that, there's this little windscreen that protects the microphone, the stock microphone. It works pretty well for what it can do, but it's not always the greatest. I have a spare microphone on a different camera, but it's like a crappy bootleg, and I don't know how good quality of it is. I don't think I can get it off. Yeah, here it is. This is some it just says stereo microphone made in China. That's it. Nothing crazy. I think I could put it on. Check. This might work actually. I don't know yet, but I'll figure it out. And anyways, I'll enjoy the vlog that I made, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Spicy Crisp. Good night. Excuse me.
She don't know me, she cannot don't sleep. We can do it now, be surprised. Niggas better get down, haters better duck it high. Let me super trick, got right me to let sick and ride. For some time till that out of pocket.
Wow, I don't know. Oh well.
Just left foot off the top rainbow. Best to throw it, dropping hoppers like on Ricky Steamboat. Purple ribbon, done out of not Jamaican, but I shot him like a shot to ease it all. Watch it, boy. Falling farmers get dead. Stop is what I said before I send one to his head. From the desert eagle people, so it ain't no coming back. Call you Casper the friendly when I enter the automatic. Shell case to me, they have that's that. Coming in nightcap, night, black. Let's fight. I write backs and fight back. Might and attack like a pit terrier in the pit right before the smash.
Fuck. Alright guys, this is my little snack haul I got. Today we got Dynamitas, Doritos, Sour Patch Kids strip, and for a drink, I might get a second, but this is usually second choice, just any Arizona. I got the Cherry Lime Ricky. My first choice would be usually just a Red Bull, or I don't know, maybe a soda. Maybe Pineapple Fanta even, I recommend. So there's that. I don't know if I could change the shutter speed while I'm recording, where it goes. Oh, I can actually. Okay. Guess we'll just fuck around with it. You can come here. Say hello to the channel. It's so dark. Let me fix it. 25 should work. Yuki, come here. Yuki, come here. Yuki, come here. Here's Teddy. He loves getting close. Oh, see, I don't know what Yuki's doing now. Okay. Now we're just gonna go out here. This is at 30 shutter speed still. And you can tell it's like bright as fuck, so we're gonna have to turn it up all the way. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it at 2500 or 3200 even. 4000 I'm not sure yet, but gotta tinker this motherfucker still.